Nicki Minaj, Barbie Megatron, recently cancelled her scheduled performance at the Jeddah Royal Festival in Saudi Arabia. She made a tweet and said the following: I am tired of my fans sending me DMs saying they want to commit suicide. You guys will never know the things my fans express to me privately. It will break me if even one of my fans were arrested or beaten for expressing themselves. God is love. No disrespect to Saudi government. To give you a better understanding of why she did this, she was approached by activists who asked her to boycott the concert because of the country's laws against women. Now, this is where things took a weird turn for Nicki. Nicki made a second tweet and she said the following: I performed in Jamaica before, and when I got off the stage, I was surrounded by police with guns drawn. They were ready to take me to jail because they said I forgot to beep out a couple curses. I could make one mistake and go to jail in a different country where women have no rights. Hashtag free ASAP. I'm going to explain the free ASAP thing for you in a second, but I want to show you some of the responses to Nicki's tweet. DJ Academics replied, even Jamaican entertainers get locked up for cursing at public performances. Happens after Sting almost every year. Honestly, it's more about being in tune with the laws of a foreign country. More than anything, not every place in the US, and yeah, I was born in Jamaica, so you don't know, but I have to defend with thing. Now, Nicki Minaj and DJ Academics have their differences, so he would be quick to respond. ZJ Sparks got in on the action and she said she was warned before performing and still used the expletives, so she brought that fine on herself. Secondly, the Jamaican police don't have concealed weapons backstage. She could have done without the hyperbole. The word hyperbole means statement or claim not to be taken literally. The big question is, did Nicki disrespect Jamaica, or was she just trying to make a point to back up what she had said about Saudi Arabia? I would like to hear your opinion about this. Please get in the comment box and tell me. Maybe a lot of Jamaicans didn't see the first tweet, or they didn't know why she was saying this. At first, I didn't know why she was saying this, and I look at it and said, you know what, she was attacking Jamaica. But after going and find out this information, I can see I'm still not justifying what she said because, you know, it's kind of ridiculous what she said, like guns drawn and all that. Following all the uproar about Nicki disrespecting Jamaica and Jamaicans, she made another post and she said the following. For the people in the back, I wasn't saying Jamaica doesn't have women's rights. I gave an example of what happened in JA to explain how easy it would be to do one thing wrong in Saudi Arabia because I am not aware of every single rule and be locked up. Everyone knows I love JA. Shut the F up. It's like y'all purposely misunderstand me. Just say you don't like me and go on. So what do you think? Did Nicki disrespect Jamaica and Jamaicans? Or now that you see the entire story, you look at it differently? Now, I said I was going to explain the ASAP thing. Now, ASAP is an American rapper who recently moved to Europe because he's doing some fashion and modeling stuff over there, right? However, he got into a fight in Sweden and they locked him up ever since. There are rumors that he's getting bad treatment. Now there's a petition, I think it was started by Jada Pinkett, or she's endorsing it to get him freed. And most people are on board with it. But however, he made a statement in 2016 where they asked him about Black Lives Matters, and his response was one that came back to haunt him right now. So that's what's happening with ASAP Rocky. I would like to tell you the whole thing, but better yet, I'm just going to put a link to a video that explains the whole ASAP Rocky situation. so this video can be done. So please get in the comment box. Tell me what you feel about Nicki Minaj. Tell me if she was disrespecting Jamaicans. Tell me if you think she was making a point and just happened to mess up, you know. And if you're not following the page, please like and follow. Thank you.